The present appeal preferred by the appellant raises a singular question as to whether the appellant could be held to be liable to pay the compensation as determined by the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal (in short the Learned Tribunal) on the basis of an insurance policy (Exhibit 6) which the appellant claimed to be fake. The appeal does not question the determination of the Learned Tribunal that the respondent numbers 1 and 2 were entitled to compensation, and the extent of compensation granted. This court shall therefore examine only the singular issue raised by the appellant, without disturbing the determination on other issues. Mr. Sudesh Joshi, Learned Counsel for the appellant, submitted that the impugned judgment and award, both dated 30/6/2018, on the aforesaid aspect are not sustainable, as the Learned Tribunal could not determine whether the insurance policy (Exhibit 6) exhibited by respondent numbers 1 and 2 was genuine or not, and that the appellant ought to have been given an opportunity to allege and prove that it was fake. Mr. Tarun Chaudhuri, Learned Counsel for respondent numbers 1 and 2, submits that although the insurance policy Exhibit 6 had been filed along with the claim petition, the appellant had failed to question the genuineness of the said document in its written objection, and as such they were precluded from raising the issue belatedly. Mr. Ajay Rathi, Learned Legal Aid Counsel for respondent numbers 3 and 4, submit that it is settled principle of law that a person who asserts a particular fact is required to affirmatively establish the same, and since it was the appellant who had asserted that the insurance policy (Exhibit 6) was fake, their failure to prove the fact would inure in favor of the respondent numbers 3 and 4. The basic facts before the Learned Tribunal for the effective determination of the present appeal were that on 29/3/2016, first information report (in short the FIR) was lodged by Vaishali Thapa, stating that her sister Tesharing Doma Tamang respondent number 1, studying at Asangthang School, was hit by a vehicle number WB 768185 near helipad, Namchi, on 29/3/2016. She had sustained serious injuries on her left foot and evacuated to Namchi Hospital on 14/11/2016. A claim petition was filed by respondent number 1, a minor aged 8 years, and her mother, Hemrupa Mangen, respondent number 2, before the Learned Tribunal. The opposite parties were the branch manager Darjeeling, New India Assurance Company Limited appellant, the owner of the vehicle Mohan Sotang respondent number 3, and the driver of the vehicle Sabut Loksam respondent number 4. In the claim petition filed by the respondent numbers 1 and 2, the name of the respondent number 3 was given as the owner of the vehicle and the appellant as the insurer of the vehicle. Amongst the various documents filed by respondent numbers 1 and 2 in the claim petition, a photocopy purporting to be certified to be true copy of insurance policy bearing policy number 51230 of the vehicle allegedly issued by the appellant was sought to be relied upon. The claim petition did not disclose how the insurance policy Exhibit 6 was obtained by respondent numbers 1 and 2. The appellant filed written objection on 4/8/2017. In paragraph 8 thereof, the appellant stated, the policy, if found, would be considered subject to its validity, terms and conditions, stipulations, restriction and limitation. In paragraph 10, the appellant had submitted, the insured may kindly be directed to produce the original insurance policy before the Honorable Tribunal, following which these answering respondents shall produce the copy of the policy which may kindly be exhibited and read in evidence. In paragraph 23, the appellant sought leave to file additional and amended written objection if necessary. If you have liked the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing.